something different. Decided I was going to try and do a water feature for the decking, but as everyone probably knows, it starts to escalate into something that you didn't intend. But although it's a little bit OTT because my project ended up being the wife's project, she's turned it into some gnome grotto, so I have no idea what she's done. Anyway, started off with a plastic tree planter, 160 litre, cost £24 from the local garden centre. It had loads of drain holes in it. I don't know if you can see down there, but I put some plastic patches and used some pond sealer to seal all those up. Took the handles off because there were some handles either side. Like I said, initially it was just going to be a water feature, one of those floating fountains in it, solar fountains, but decided to go the whole hog and did a fountain stroke pump stroke filter. I think it's a Billings one or Billings, I'm not sure how we pronounce it, off from Amazon for £70, and it's run by a 12-watt solar panel, but it only works in direct sunlight, no battery backup. So anyway, as I said, from a water feature, it's now turned into a fish pond. I don't know whether you can see any of the fish in there. We've got 8 small goldfish, some oxygenating plants, some plants here, water plants. The 2 shelves are made out of some composite decking, and put some of this steel strapping on it to hold it, and cut it to the contour of the bin. Quite neat, quite proud of myself, to be honest. So my son says once I get this started, I'll probably end up wanting to build a koi pond. So we'll see how we go with this. This comes with 3 different ends. This one is like a dome, but it doesn't give you the effect of any splashing or anything. A little bit annoying because it's not straight, but I can sort that out at a later date. I've had a bit of sapele left over from an old windowsill, so I shaped it, put some yacht varnish on it, and then the wife has decided to turn it into like a tombstone. But hey ho, I do as I'm told. Had some of this in the shed to clad it with. These have come from B&M Bargains, £3 a sprig, just to cover it up a bit. I don't think it's too bad, to be honest. Didn't have to run any electric to it because it's solar, like I said. And when the sun goes down, this dies down, the fish come up, eat a bit off the top, and up to now, a week and a half in, everything seems to be pretty stable. Very happy with it. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the little short video. In total, I think £70 for the filter pump, fountain, 20 odd quid for some plants, that were free. The tub was 24 quid. And that's about it. Nice little feature. Thanks for watching.